So we were discussing questions in the previous class, right? So yes, I think we were doing
the numerical
numericals. Yeah. Okay. So till where we did? I think we did. I don't remember, but
example 8.
8th. Okay. Okay. This we did 8th one.
Yes, ma'am, we did.
Okay. So let's just start with the next one. Okay, let's just wait for 1 more minute. I think Halima will be joining. Till then, you can revise your formulas. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So today we have to start with the new concept of numericals.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just start with the Halima is here. So we have to start from here. So see, in an economy, an increase in investment leads to increase in national income 3 times more than the increase in investment. You have to calculate MPC. Okay. So what they are saying that because of change in investment, okay,
Yes.
right, income is increasing 3 times. Okay, like delta. My writing pad is like I don't know. It's not in. Okay, this is what. Okay, so now how you have to calculate MPC. Over here, nothing is given. No numerical value, nothing is given. Okay. So since increase in national income is 3 times more than the increase in investment, it means total increase in income is 4 times, right? And the multiplier is 4. Why? Because what is this? Basically, when we calculate K, it is like investment and the income, right? So over here, if your income is 1 and your income is increasing 3 times, so it means 4. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Because 1 is investment plus your income, right? So this is what. So over here, now you know that your K is 4. So you have to calculate MPC. So you have this formula with you, right? So you will put the value here and you will get the MPC. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you will write example number 9. Okay. So what you will do, you will write example number 9. Okay. And example number 9, like you will write the entire question because in exam hall they'll be asking you and the solution, the first part you will write from here and after that you will put the value and you will get the answer on your own and you will tell me. Okay. Getting the point, girls? You have to write the question and then this
Yes.
part. And after this you can solve it, right? You have to, because you have K, you can calculate MPC.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you got 3. Sorry, 0.75. Yes? No?
I was guessing the same in my mind. I thought
Okay.
it would be.
Okay. So your answer is right. 0.73.
Yes, correct.
What about Sanya?
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Okay. Now coming to this one, like over here, you have the same formula, but see, calculate MPC. You have to calculate MPC from the following data about the economy, which is in equilibrium. National income is given, investment expenditure is given, and autonomous consumption expenditure is given. Right? So you have to recall the things. The first question we did when we started the numerical. Right? You have that formula? Yes? Yes, or no?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Y equals to, right? So first of you have to calculate MPC. So can you have income plus you have investment expenditure as well as you have this. So you can do it. Yes. You can find MPC na?
Yes, ma'am.
You know na MPC is B basically. BY. This B is MPC. So quickly do it and let me know.
Ma'am, we should use C bar equal to that one.
Sorry.
Ma'am, C bar equal to C plus dy, that one.
No, you don't have to use over there. C bar, this one over here, na? C bar. C bar is given, na? Autonomous consumption.
Yes, ma'am.
So, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done?
Mm.
Okay, do it. Take your time.
Ma'am, is it 17?
Okay, let's just check. Okay, see. There was a trick in this question, which I was wondering whether you people will ask me or not. Okay, so let's just do it. Okay, so see. Calculate MPC from the following data about the economy, which is in equilibrium. National income is given and investment expenditure is also given. Okay, and this is also given. So this. But MP over here, this B, right? You have to calculate B, right?
Yes.
So what you did, like how come it came wrong? I think in calculation something.
I guess, ma'am.
See what you did. Let's just do it step by step because the calculation is quite tricky. That's why I was wondering whether you will ask me or not. Okay, see. This is 2000. This is what? Okay, so first of all, what you will like, let's just solve along with me and let me know what you did wrong. Okay, 2000 equals to 200 plus B multiply by 2000, right? Plus 100. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, you will just add these two. Okay, so you got 300 plus B multiply by 2000, right? So this is in plus. So here, this will go here, subtract. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So here it will be B multiplied by 2000. So when you will subtract, you will get this 1700 divided by, because this is in multiplication, so it will go in division. Then you will solve it 0, 0, 0, 0. When you will solve these two, you will get 0.85. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Something like this. For example, it's 70, so you are 20. So first of all, you will put 0, then point, then here 0, right? And then 8. Oh my god.
Ma'am,
160.
so this y equal to c plus I, right?
This, yeah, C plus I. Why?
So down a tab y
Why
equal to
C
c
plus I?
bar.
Income is given, na? National income.
Yes, ma'am.
So why is simple? You just put it.
No, ma'am. That y equal to c bar plus dy
This,
plus.
yeah. See, at equilibrium, basically this situation occurs, right? We usually use this formula, but over here they have asked you autonomous investment, so you will not use this formula. You will use this formula.
Yes, ma'am. It's like c equal to c bar plus dy, right?
Which one? This
Yes, ma'am.
C bar plus by.
No, ma'am. C equal to c bar plus dy, right?
Yes.
So how is it y equal to?
See. Okay, you are getting confused. See, the question is y equals to c plus I. This is basically the equilibrium situation. Okay, we usually use this formula, but in case if they ask you the autonomous consumption or autonomous something autonomous, so you will not use this formula. So over here, the C is C plus by. Okay,
C bar.
okay, plus I. So this C, right? This C is basically like this is what? Because we are talking about autonomous. So when in order to make the autonomous plus MPC makes your complete consumption. Clear? Autonomous
So,
consumption. Yes. What you are saying,
so
I'm not getting it.
ma'am, the formula, the actual formula was c equal to c bar plus dy, right?
C equals to C bar plus CY. BY.
By, yes.
This is Y equals to Y. Like, I still didn't get it. See, this one you are elaborating, right? This C part. C equals to C bar plus BY. Yes, you are right. Then,
I don't know, ma'am. I have to check in my.
wait,
Yes,
wait,
ma'am.
wait.
In my notebook, it's like c equal to c bar plus dy.
That's correct. See, the formula is Y equals to C plus by I, right? But they are talking about autonomous consumption. So you will expand the C in this part, right? Instead of this C, what you are writing C bar plus BY.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Getting
ma'am.
the point?
Yes,
Instead
yes.
of this C, you are writing this because they have asked you autonomous consumption. So that's why you have to change your formula. Instead of C, you have to write this. So C equals to basically C bar like autonomous consumption plus BY, which is your MPC and income. So that will make up complete consumption.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So instead of C, you wrote this plus I, everything is C. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain that note too?
Note 2. This one.
Yes, that like what it mean.
Okay, okay, wait. Just quickly write this one. I think who did wrong, just do it like this only. Then I'll explain you. Okay, I'm just giving you 1 minute.
Okay, 30 seconds. One minute over.
Okay, done. I think both of you wrote it, right? Yes, Sana.
Done.
Now coming to this situation. Okay. Halima was asking me, ma'am, what is this? Okay. C. It is nothing. What is B? Tell me. It is MPC,
Yes, MPC.
right? So what is MPS? 1 minus MPC?
Yes.
That's it. Instead of MPC, they have written B.
So how that 0.3 came?
See, B. What is your B?
MPC, which is 0.85.
Then when you will solve it, right? Over here, they have just given this not in the context of this. They have
We
just
like
randomly.
round it out to like
Yeah.
small, like one digit, and it should be 0.8. It shouldn't
Yeah.
be like 7, 10, 3 like that. So here 0.2 MPS will be.
No. They have not given this in context of this. They have just randomly given it.
Okay.
Right, this is not in text of this. They have just given you the, like, for example, at equilibrium s is point equals to this, so at that time this will be like, see, when your s is equals to this, so with the help of s, first of all you will find mps, and after that you will calculate this like this. Okay, they have just given you the idea that in case mps is given, so you can just quickly subtract it and you will get the mps also. Okay,
So it's not related.
yeah, it's not related to that, it's a note basically. Note means you can use this type of formula as well. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah, this question, here you are going to use this formula. You can use it or others, it's totally fine. You have to calculate autonomous consumption. Okay. From the following data about the economy, which is in equilibrium, national income is given and MPS is given and investment expenditure is given. So you have to calculate this consumption expenditure. So try it. I hope you can do it. But instead of writing B, what you can write? 1 minus B.
MPC.
Or what you can do, see, MPS is given na. Why to do such so much of efforts? MPS is given, just calculate MPC, right? And where the use the same formula over here, just write the formula, the value of MPS, MPC. Clear?
Here they're asking autonomous consumption.
Yeah, they are asking you autonomous consumption
Okay.
C bar. Okay, so see over here they are just giving you a trick that instead of, see, MPS is given na, so instead of writing here 1b, you can write 1 minus b. So why you are making this complex? MPS is given, with the help of MPS you can calculate MPC. Yes, right?
Right.
Girls, right now I hope you can calculate it. MPS equals to 1 minus MPC. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
you will calculate it, and once you calculate it, so you will get the other form. I think everything is given to you, so quickly do it.
Ma'am, is it 50? Done.
Okay. Sane, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So you got the 50? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me 1 minute. Huh? Okay. So let's just start. Next, I hope everyone got 50. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, next one. See, over here, calculate investment expenditure. You have to calculate investment expenditure from the following data about the economy where the equilibrium national income is given, Y is given to you, okay, and MPS is given to you, and autonomous consumption is also given to you. So what you have to calculate? You have to calculate I. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, over here, I hope you people were not getting confused. They have written S. So S and Y, they are both same thing, right?
Yes.
It was up.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it 50?
Let's just check. Investment expenditure is 50. Clear? Done? Sana, you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is a different method, and similarly here you have this. I hope you followed this method, right?
Obviously.
Yes, ma'am.
Here. An increase in this. Okay, so first of all, you have to calculate MPC, then change in savings also, then change in consumption. Okay, so first calculate MPC, then change in savings. I'll let you know how you are going to do it. And girls, MPC. Okay. So see, this is very important question. An increase in this is delta I. Okay, and increase in income delta Y. Okay, so I don't know what's wrong. Okay, because of this, you will find K. Okay, and when you got K, your K was your K was 4, and when you will put the value, you will get your MPC 1. No, not 1, 0.75. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
And now what you have to find? You have to find change in savings and change in consumption expenditure. Okay, and next value of multiplier. Okay, so value of multiplier K you already got. Okay, you have to then find change in consumption expenditure. Okay, so with the help of this, first of all, you know this is the formula for MPC, delta C upon delta Y. Yes,
Yes.
right? So delta C, you will from here you will find change in consumption expenditure. MPC you have, right? You will find it out, and you will find change in consumption. And coming to savings, you already know that savings is this, right? So delta Y minus delta C, because your delta Y is equals to delta C plus delta S, right? So now you have to find change in savings. So you will subtract it, delta y minus delta c, to find delta s. Yes. I hope you didn't forget this formula. You remember this formula? Delta y equals to c plus s. No? No? Check your formula thing. I think you didn't wrote it here. When we did this, I think when we were doing the multiplier things over there, I think you have written that. Check it once. You wrote it somewhere? This one, no? This. When we were doing this. I told you, na, delta y equals to c plus delta x. Yes?
Yes.
Right? So similarly, you can write your formula. This formula is also important. You can write it where you have written all the formula, na? Just write it there. Because that will help you. Which is delta y equals to delta c plus delta s.
Okay. And
Okay.
I was thinking that at C and S, it's both the same.
C and
Yes,
S?
that.
No. No, C and S, they are not the same thing. C is consumption and S is saving. Right?
I think maybe something else.
Okay.
Yes, I was thinking it like came already. It's in the question, and why we like calculated that. Then I remember it's some other letter.
Okay. Yeah, it's other thing. It's a consumption expenditure, right?
Yes.
So you can just write it down, like you can solve it. See, MPC, you got it. Your MPC is 0.75. Value of multiplier is 4. Change in savings is delta S, right? And then you have to find change in consumption expenditure. So with the help of this formula, you got to know this.
And there's investment and saving. Investment we use at one time in that multiplier one. That was 250.
Sorry.
I was saying that investment and saving both are same. Change in investment.
Hmm.
That in multiplier one.
Change in investment is not same. It is I equals to S,
Yes.
not delta
Is
I,
equal to S.
not delta I.
They
Getting the
asked
point?
delta S, change in savings.
Yeah, they have asked delta S, na. That's why, see, what you got 250, right? And if you will use your, like, if you can, over here, what you can write, you cannot write that delta S equals to delta I. Why? Because in the formula, what we do S equals to I, right? So here you have to use it. See, both are same, delta I as well as this. But we have this formula that at equilibrium, these points are equal, not delta S and delta I, right? So we cannot use this theorem here. That's why we use this. Clear?
Okay.
Right? But see, because we don't have the valid reason to give, right? Because have you ever seen this delta S equals to delta I? No, na? We have done this, that at equilibrium S will equals to I. Okay. But in case if they ask you
Okay.
for MCQ, na, you can use your brain and you can just do it quickly. But when they ask you for the solution, then you have to solve it like this. Okay.
This will be for how many marks?
If this will come, this will usually come for 4 to 5 marks.
4 to 5. 4 is
Why
okay.
4?
5 is
Yeah,
too
why
much.
to why 4 to 5 marks? Because over here you have different parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts, right? But in case if they ask you simple MPC or simple one word, so that will come for 2 marks. But in case if they give you the parts, then it will come for higher marks. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this one over here, you have to calculate MPS. Okay, getting the point? Okay, I'll just tell you what you have to do over here. See, an economy is an equilibrium. Over here, you have to find MPS, not an issue. Income is given, autonomous consumption is given, but autonomous consumption expenditure is given. That means C is also given and C bar is also given. Okay, so over here, first of all, see this one. In order to make the formula, right, you first of all you will calculate here. From here, you will get your this B. Okay, you will
Yes.
get your B. Okay, so once you got B, what is B? B is your MPC. Yes, with the help of MPC, you
Yes.
can calculate
1
MPS.
minus. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and simply you'll just put it and you'll get the answer. Clear? 1 minus this. So this is also one of the important question, because sometimes students over here they are like, ma'am, what to do? This is not given, that is not given. But yeah, everything is given, but you have to just be relaxed. Okay, so you can write it down.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now rest of the questions, they are like similar. So what you will do, you will take screenshot of question number 15 and this is your homework. Okay. Just don't take the screenshot, just write it down. Just write, you have to find investment expenditure, that is I. Okay. And what is given? Your Y is given and MPS is given and autonomous consumption expenditure is also given. So you have to find I. Okay. This is your homework. Clear?
This is easy to do in 5 minutes. And we have 5 minutes only.
Okay. So do it quickly.
Is it 200?
Okay, done. Let's just check. Your investment expenditure is 100